Hi guys, welcome once again to Endodontics 101. Today we're going to have a little bit of an extense class, but everything I'm going to say in this class is extremely important for the exam. So please try to pay attention and try to memorize, especially treatments and time of treatments. So we're gonna start now with traumatic injuries and emergency management. Okay, so first of all, you have to know this classification as you know your name, please. This LS classification is one of the fracture classifications there is. So it's really important that you know it because they are going to give you cases or clinical cases where they ask you what type of LS classification is this fracture. So, with that being said, class 1